What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here, and welcome. Today I bring you the Echo Pro 10K by Bash Vaping, and it was sent to me for the purpose of this review by them. Big shout out to them. This is going to be a very simple, quick. It's not really disposable because obviously you can't always go and buy just the tops if you want to and keep using your battery. So it's not entirely a disposable. It's just the way that they have to get around the TPD compliance, not TPD, the law here in the UK. It's gonna be like doing 10K puff, so it's gonna have cool features that you can do with quick vaping puffs. But obviously we go to all of that other up and close. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna dive down. Okay, and here is the box where your Echo Pro 10K comes in. And inside the box you're gonna get a user manual, how to do your stuff, and you're gonna get these three packaging. So in one of them you're gonna get your coil. That is a dual mesh. So this is your coil right here. Gonna get your mod or battery, if you want to call it like that. And finally, you're gonna get your reservoir or where your juice is. Here we go, right there. So this is pretty easy. You grab your coil, remove this silicone bit right here, as you can see. And you also say fresh mint on the coil. You just plug it in like that. It's gonna click in place, and just remove this. It's up to use. You're gonna have an arrow right there, Obviously, you line them up. You click in, and bam, you're good to go. Now, obviously, when you start to vape, your screen is gonna turn up. I will do that in a second. This one is gonna have an 850 milliamp hour battery. They're gonna do about 10K puffs. Obviously, that's an average. And you're gonna be a 20 milligram nic salt. So you're gonna have your coil that I think is pre-filled with 2 mLs, and then you're gonna have your device that has another 10 mLs in it, to be a total of 12 mLs. Let me vape on it. As you can see, the screen just comes on and it tells you the battery and the power that is in. It has 2 flames. And if you do a quick vape 3 times, like if you pull 3 times very quick, it's going to change from power to a lower mode, so 2 flames to 1 flame. And if you want to lock your device, if it's something you want to do, you do a quick 5 vapes, so 5 puffs very quick, and it's going to lock your device and nobody is going to be able to vape on it, like your kids or something like that. And here on the bottom you're going to have your USB-C charging port, and that's pretty much it. We're going to come back on top and we're going to run to pros and cons. Alright, then we're back, and that was the up and close for the Echo Pro 10K. Pros and cons, I don't have too many cons. I wish you had maybe an airflow adjustment on the device big like this, just to maybe even tighten a little bit more the airflow, because this is for open MTL, or kind of a little bit of restriction there is fine. But if you want a really tight MTL, this one is not going to allow you to change the airflow. Obviously, you always can put a finger on the bottom, and because your airflow is here, and do like that. Other than that, I do like the locking feature. I mean, it is something cool that if you don't want to leave it, you know, laying around and your kids around, and they might be trying, if they're small kids, you know, they see you do it, you know, monkey do, how they normally say, you do, monkey do, something like that. So they might do that, so you can lock it and nothing's gonna happen. And also change between the power mode. Actually is in powerful right now, and I'm gonna change it just to normal. So 3 quick vapes, and it works perfectly. Has 1 flame right now. So the quick session works just great. And obviously you always can recharge your top. Keep in mind that when you buy, sorry, like I was saying before the battery ran out, if you buy obviously a mod, and this can always be changed, The color that you're gonna have obviously is gonna be from the previous flavor. So if you have, for example, like this one is a cool mint, it's gonna be kind of green, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, you're always gonna be, it's just a color option. You can have several of them, you know, and keep changing flavors. It's really, really up to you. Or take, you know, have two mods and have just one on the top if the battery just run out during the day and you don't have a way to charge it. But very, very cool. And it vapes like a champ. So now having the lower mode. And yes, it's a little bit better. You know, it's not as much power, at least for me, to have on this open MTL, but obviously you can go a little bit higher if you want to. It's going to tell you the percentage of the battery, and it's going to be pretty simple to use as you saw it on the up and close. Very easy to set up, very easy to use, and you're not going to spend a lot of money and have a really, really great flavor. They're going to have a lot of flavors available as well, and it's going to be available anywhere in the UK. Just do your Google search. We're going to wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next time. Till there, keep vaping.